What we are doing now is we would like to show you how we cook in the mountains without kitchen, without all these facilities that you have in a restaurant. So that's why our chef Moises, he will show us how to prepare ceviche of mango.
Now we're gonna enjoy the meals that we prepare in our cooking class, no? We have Lomo Saltado, white rice, that's a Peruvian local dish. And we have more salad here. Okay, everybody enjoy it, bon appetit, no? Everybody did a good job, no? How was it?
The most authentic cooking experience of my life. Magnifico. Amazing.
Sí, excelente. Aprendí mucho.